Listen up, you lot. Are you ready to embark on a bloody delicious trip around the world? Today, we're diving headfirst into 30 countries, exploring the signature dishes that define their culinary soul. We're talking about the kind of food that makes your taste buds sing and your belly beg for more. From the fiery streets of Mexico to the bustling markets of Thailand, we're serving up a feast for the senses. Get ready to discover the stories behind these iconic plates, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find your next culinary obsession. Italy, you donkey, you gave us the simplest yet most iconic dish, pizza margherita, tomatoes, mozzarella, basil, it's a bloody masterpiece. France, you think you're so fancy, don't you? This buttery, flaky goodness is the perfect way to start the day. Japan, you've outdone yourself. This is artistry on a plate, fresh, delicate, and absolutely divine. Chapter 4. India, you bring the heat. This creamy, flavorful curry is a symphony of spices. Bloody brilliant. Chapter 5. Mexico, you know how to party. These handheld delights are a fiesta in your mouth. Thailand, you've got my attention. This dish is a flavor explosion, sweet, sour, and utterly addictive. China, you've been cooking for centuries and it shows. Crispy duck skin pancakes, hoisin, it's a culinary revelation. Greece, you've got layers. This comforting casserole is the definition of hearty and delicious. Spain, you've got a winner. This vibrant rice dish is a feast for the eyes and the stomach. Lebanon, you've got the magic touch. This creamy dip is simple yet utterly irresistible. Turkey, you're on fire. These succulent skewers are bursting with flavor. Brazil, you know how to feed a crowd. This hearty stew is a carnivore's dream. America, you didn't invent the burger, but you sure perfected it, a classic for a reason. South Korea, you're one spicy meatball. This fermented wonder adds a kick to any dish. Germany, you've got patience. This slow-cooked masterpiece is worth the wait. Australia, you've got away with pastry. This savory pie is pure comfort food. Vietnam, you've got soul. This aromatic soup is a symphony of flavors. Egypt, you've got history. This humble dish is a culinary time capsule. Argentina, you know how to grill. This barbecue feast is a meat lover's paradise. Russia, you've got away with beets. This vibrant soup is both sweet and savory. Sweden, you've got comfort food down to a science. These little meatballs are pure joy. Peru, you've got the freshest catch. This citrusy seafood dish is a revelation. South Africa, you've got a unique take on curry. This bread bowl is a meal in itself. Morocco, you've got the magic touch. This slow-cooked stew is bursting with exotic flavors. Indonesia, you know how to fry rice. This flavorful dish is a true crowd pleaser. Malaysia, you've got away with coconut. This fragrant rice dish is a national treasure. Portugal, you've got away with cod. This shredded cod dish is a true classic. Chile, you've got a knack for pastry. These savory pastries are little pockets of deliciousness. Kenya, you know how to grill. This succulent grilled meat is a true taste of Africa. Belgium, you've got good taste. These mussels and fries are a match made in heaven. Well, there you have it, you bunch of hungry foodies. We've traveled the globe, tasted the extraordinary, and hopefully ignited your culinary curiosity. Remember, cooking is about passion, experimentation, and a dash of bloody good fun. Now get out there, explore those flavors, and never be afraid to get your hands dirty in the kitchen.